Too many people think that money is the answer to all their problems. They spend their entire lives chasing it, running behind it, sacrificing their time, relationships, and even the health to fight. But let me tell you something, running behind money will never give you what you're truly looking for. Money is important, yes, I'm agree. It pays the bills, puts food on the table, and can bring comfort. But money is just a tool, not the destination. If you make it the center of your life, you will always feel empty because no amount of it will ever be enough. Think about it. What's more valuable than money? It's the skills you build, the knowledge you get, and the relationships you nurture. These are the things that make you truly wealthy. Money will come and go, but the person you become in the process of creating value, that lasts forever. Instead of running after money, focus on running after excellence. Build yourself. Work on your craft and add value to the world. When you solve problems, create solutions, and provide value, money becomes a byproduct. It starts chasing you. Ask yourself, what kind of legacy do you want to leave behind? Do you want to be remembered or someone who just hoarded wealth, or as someone who made a difference, who created something very meaningful? Shift your mindset, bro. Chase growth, not money. Chase impact, not greed. Money should be a result of your passion, your hard work, and your dedication, not your primary focus. Because when you build something of real value, the rewards, financial and otherwise, will follow you naturally. So don't run behind money, run behind your passion, your dreams, your purpose. Build a life you're proud of, and I promise that the money will take care. In the last, the real wealth isn't in your bank account. It's in your mind, your skill, and your heart. So stop chasing money. Chase what truly matters.